Hey, what's up? Welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to show you if you forget to save your automation in make.com and you worked on it for hours, and at the end you forget to save it and you close the tab, and when you reopen it nothing was there. So how you can restore yourself from here. So this is what exactly I'm going to show you. So for example, this is a quick automation. Let's say this is your automation which you worked on and you forget to save it, and when you reopened it you have just first step or first two steps. So the easiest way would be, just one thing you need to make sure you have actually ran the automation when you worked on it, and definitely if you have worked on it for hours or some time, you have tested it a lot of times and it's actually being executed. So so let me just show you how you can restore it. You need to open up the automation, and once it's opened you need to go to this history tab over here, and once you go to the history tab you will see all the previous executions which you have ran. So just click on the details of one of them. The most recent would be the perfect for you because that was the last execution you did before saving it. So after that, hold the shift key and then select all of them one by one. So it's going to select all of them. Now you need to press command C or control C for saving this. So it's going to copy all of these steps, and now you need to go back to the diagram where you are actually working, where you are actually looking at first two steps or just one step, and then just control V or command V, and this is going to paste the automation over here. And then all you have to do is just move this timer which you will see on the first step, just drag it to the automation which you actually saved right now over here, and it will save it, and then you will just need to click the save button and it will save the automation. So you will have the most recent copy which you worked on and which you forget to save. So hopefully this helped, and if you need any help with automation you can check the link in the descriptions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.